This week on Fly Rod Chronicles, we're in my home state of West Virginia, heading to the historic town of Cass. We're going to take in some history from this old railroad town, then ride up to one of the highest points in West Virginia on a coal-driven train. From there, we meet up with my buddy Skip and take horses up to the fire tower camp for an overnight stay, and then do some off-the-grid fly fishing. This is one adventure-packed show you won't want to miss, so stick around. Traveling the world, fishing, enjoying the great outdoors. Those are things that would have seemed impossible to me when I was a kid growing up in the mountains of West Virginia. I'm a lucky man, and I never want to forget it, and I'm hoping that sharing my experiences with folks will inspire them to do the same. I'm Curtis Fleming, and these are my Fly Rod Chronicles.
Wanna build me a log cabin on a mountain so high, so I can see Willie as he goes passing by. Oh, the cuckoo, she's a pretty bird. She wobbles.
Thank you. Curtis, it's beautiful out here.
Yep.
This place is gorgeous.
Another beautiful day in almost heaven. So, what do you think of the old company houses, how they restored all this?
This is absolutely incredible to capture this environment, to capture this place, a moment in time where West Virginia railroad industry was booming, and now they've captured this into a destination place to stay. It's incredible.
Yeah. Plus, we're right here next to a church, and I went over and prayed last night for fish, right?
Absolutely.
And a good trip.
Perfect day.
Yeah, we got the weather, fall foliage. You know, that's what West Virginia is about. Tourism, people come to see these colors. It's just like we nailed it.
Can't beat a fall season in West Virginia.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
So, let's go over and check out the company store, get some goodies to go, and hop on the train.
Sounds good.
Yeah,
Let's
yeah.
do it.
Stop by the barber shop. They even got a barber shop.
Oh, you need that. You need that.
I bet that's Marshall right there. How you doing? Good.
How you doing?
Curtis Fleming.
Nice to meet you.
My wife Shelly.
Good morning.
Pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you all too. Welcome to Cass St. Croix Road State Park.
So you're the superintendent. You've been here for a while, right?
I have been here 5 years.
5 years. Nice. You live in paradise.
I do. Absolutely beautiful here. You guys are here at a great time of year too.
Yeah, yeah. And you got quite the excursion lined up for us.
Oh yeah, yeah. So we're gonna go around town a little bit and show you a little bit about the park.
Yep.
You're gonna ride the Bald Knob train up to Bald Knob, do the overlook.
Yep.
Now we're gonna get you on some horses, do the wilderness cabin, do some fishing. So lots ahead of us.
Man, sounds like a good time. We appreciate you. Thank you. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so the two engines, they're getting ready to hook up. As Marshall told us, this is something that's special here. When you hook up two trains, he said it is harder on the equipment, but it enables more people to get up the mountain. So we're kind of privileged. This is pretty cool, right?
It is extremely cool.
When you look in the parking lot behind these guys, I see buses from North Carolina, Virginia, field trips. So it's Wednesday, and here we are filling up all these trains, and we're going up to the top, up to Bald Knob. I know you're excited because when we get to the top, you
to ride some horses.
But I'm gonna tell you something. When you get on this train and you see this thing fed by coal and the steam coming out, it's
Epic.
epic. There you go. So I don't want to miss the train. I've missed planes, but I don't think I've missed a train.
We can't do this.
Let's go.
Tammy, thank you so much for having us at Cass Scenic Railroad, our slice of heaven and almost heaven, West Virginia. Can you tell us a little bit about what to expect today?
Well, where you're at today is this town here was Cass, just a regular Cass. It was built for one particular reason, the red spruce timber. If you've ever heard of the company Westvaco, it used to be called West Virginia Pulp and Paper. They came here for the red spruce timber to make the paper. So we have two set of tracks out here. The outside line is the old C&O line. It goes into Covington, Virginia, where the old paper plant is. Still operates. But they needed red spruce timber in the 1900s to make paper. We had it. So this town was built specifically for that.
And today there's a special engine coming in?
We have, the oldest engine here is Shay 5. She's the oldest operating Shay engine in the world, still in the same track she was built for. She came here in 1905 and she has never left this operation. And she should be the one running here this morning.
Ride to town, shoot 'em up, keep on going. 'Cause I got a job to do, I don't stop for no one. Get your gun, kiss your wife, lock up your daughter. Don't let her fall in love with the pale rider. Many men have quickly found I'm unforgiving.
All right, I heard voices. So, you know how I always hear voices, but I hear Skip coming because if we didn't hear voices, that means it's a long walk out of here.
But what a gorgeous walk it would be.
It's amazing.
What views we saw on our way up this mountain.
Yeah.
Like no other.
Yeah.
The trees are gorgeous.
Yeah, it's amazing. And I think right now we're like at the second highest point in the state of West Virginia. And Skip and the crew, we've got horses coming, and we get to mount up on horses, and we're going to the fire tower and the cabin. And this is kind of the next part of our adventure.
I see your pony's coming.
It ain't a pony.
It's a pony.
It's a horse. I'm out on a pony.
Used to belong to an institution. Set his mind on a resolution. In the devil's garden, he makes amends.
Hey, Skip. Now, help me out with this. So if somebody sleeps up there, that would be the highest
lodging property in West Virginia.
Highest lodging property in West Virginia. And look, just
You're at 4870 elevation.
4870.
Right here, we're right at 4845.
So tell me just a little bit about, so you're working with the state here, and you guys are putting packages together.
Correct.
Yeah, and you're running the stables, and you can pick people up from the train at Bald Knob.
Absolutely.
And we're going fishing.
Absolutely, that too. We can do the fishing, the hunting, hiking, biking, train ride, horseback, and we're basically unplugged.
How cool is that?
No internet, no power.
Oh, man.
All you gotta do is concentrate on having a good time. Just relaxing. There's nothing to stress you out.
How cool, how cool.
It is.
Yeah, yeah.
Feel all alone. How did I wander so far from my home? These thoughts that run through me, stolen my faith.
Hey, believe it or not, the sun's coming out here, right? Huh?
We got a beautiful sunny morning. We're supposed to have a beautiful sunny day. So
Yeah.
it should work out good.
Yeah, and when I say believe it or not, it's because we're up so high here, and it takes a little bit of time for the sun to get up here, doesn't it?
Yep, takes a while to burn off, and we had a little bit of mist and rain this morning, and
Yeah.
right now we should be blessed with a beautiful day.
Yep. This is awesome. This is the fun part here. And like you said, you get to see a whole different world of West Virginia and get to see it from horseback. This is pretty cool.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
We get to do what a lot of people have to go out west to do.
Right.
And the difference between here and out there, it's green and beautiful, and it's in our backyard.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, there he is. Nice. Looky here. Oh, he's coming to me. Nice. Nice. Oh, he looks like. Oh, yeah. Get this line out of the way. You know what? He looks like a wild brown trout. Nice. Very nice. Oh, yeah, baby. Not a big guy. Oh, yeah. Yep, brown trout. Nice. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Get him. Right. Oh, oh, yeah. Look how beautiful. Nice. Oh, man. Hey, he took that little nymph right off the bottom. Oh, there he is. Oh, yes. Nice. Good fish. Oh, how cool is that? Get over that rock. Oh, nice. Looks like a good little brown trout. Another brown. Wild brownie. I'm gonna pull him away from this hole so I can keep him out. Find that. Ooh, keep him out of this. Ooh. Oh, come here, come here. Come here, come here. Get over here. Get over here. Nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, Christian, look at the collars on this guy. Check him out. Another little mountain West Virginia brown trout. Look at this guy.
Cass Railroad is the perfect place for an evening getaway or a weekend getaway in the hills of West Virginia. This historic town from 1901 is like stepping into a time machine. From riding a steam engine train to hiking or biking, this place is suitable for all ages. For the complete experience, you have to come and stay in the original company houses that has been renovated with modern features. There's even a company store, restaurant, and amazing historic museum. This is a hidden gem in West Virginia, and if you'd like to experience this amazing trip, follow the contact info.
Yeah, look at him wanting to go up. Oh, he's a good rainbow. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna have to put the net on him. He's a good rainbow. Come up out. Oh, I got my line. Oh, yes. Oh no, he got out. Oh, good rainbow. Oh my gosh, he got off. Daggone. He was a good one too. All right, man. Lesson number 150,000. I mean, you can see right here what happened. I mean, I'm fishing a little stream like this. We got drought conditions. I hook into one of my nicest wild rainbows, and as I'm untangling here, I clearly had too much line. And I mean, this is just a no-no. Some good water above us, and we're just gonna keep going. That's heartbreaking, but that's fishing. That's why we do what we do. Golly. Oh, there. Nice. Oh yeah, there we go. That's our brook trout. That's our state fish right there. And wild and wonderful, the state fish. We even got license plates with this fish. It is the Salavinus fontanellus. It is the brook trout. I'm telling you, oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Oh, look at the sun beating off of it. Okay, I've talked enough about it. This is a beautiful, gorgeous fish. I see why they make it our state fish. Oh my gosh, it's got its fall spawning collars. We talked about it a little while ago. We always look for the reds. We don't disturb them. It looks like this fish has already spawned. We're approaching November here. I'm gonna sneak up on. Don't wanna lose this. I wanna be able to show you guys how beautiful these fish are. Come over here, baby. Come over here. You can see how wild they are. He just sucked that nymph down. Come over here. Come over here. There we go. Okay. Now we're not gonna handle this fish much, but we're gonna show it to you. We're gonna show you some underwater footage. I wanna show you guys the fins. I wanna show you the markings on this fish. How do you get so excited about a fish that's this big? Well, you know, these fish, they survive hardship. They survive, I mean, we're going through a serious drought this year. They survive. They survive predators like, you know, hawks and eagles, and as stewards of the land, you know, we're trying to bring back the brook trout, and it excites me when we can catch these fish and know that they've survived a serious drought like this, it's exciting. So that's how we get excited when you catch a fish this big, and that's why West Virginia has named it its state fish.
Well, we're out of time. One episode can't handle all that West Virginia has to offer. So come back next week for part 2 of our Cass Railroad trip as we take on more adventures and go after some bigger fish in almost heaven, West Virginia.
I don't know what it is, Christian. It's the biggest fish that I've seen. I got it. Oh my gosh.